In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your notifications on Etsy to streamline your experience and reduce the noise in your inbox. Now, if you're anything like most of us, those constant pings and emails can get pretty overwhelming. So let's dive right in and take control of those alerts step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to Etsy's website, open your preferred web browser and type in etsy.com. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see the sign in option. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts or if you're on a shared computer. Once you're signed in, your profile menu becomes accessible. This is where we find a lot of the personal settings we'll be tweaking today. Look again at the top right corner and you'll find an icon that resembles a miniature version of yourself. It might be your profile picture or simply the word you. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, go ahead and select Account Settings. This selection will direct you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Within the account settings, you'll notice a section named Notifications. That's our next destination. Click on it to dive into the myriad of notification options Etsy offers. In this area, you'll see different categories of notifications. These include types like forums, following, sales, shipping, and returns and cases. Essentially, any interaction you might have on Etsy can generate a notification either through email or push notifications on your device. To start customizing your settings, you'll begin by deciding which notifications you want to keep receiving and which ones you can live without. Let's tackle email notifications first. Next to each category, you'll see checkboxes indicating whether email notifications are active. If there are certain types of emails you no longer wish to receive, simply uncheck those boxes. This will stop Etsy from reaching out to you about that specific activity via your email inbox. For push notifications, the process is a bit different. If this option is available for any category, you'll typically be able to adjust a toggle or setting next to it to choose whether you want these alerts to come through on your device. It's essential to remember that all changes will only be effective once you save them. So make sure to scroll to the bottom of the notifications page and click Save Settings. This will apply all the changes you've made, giving you a tailored notification experience moving forward. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're only getting the notifications that truly matter to you, making your Etsy experience smoother and less cluttered. Happy crafting and browsing!